Hi, Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and in front of me today I have the TGA Zest Plus. If you're one of these customers that has a scooter and finds that when you get home your bones are rattled and shaken because you felt every bump in the curb and the pavement, well, this product is the product for you. I want you to come and take a closer look. One of the most exciting features on this Zest Plus is the suspension. I want to show you this first. If you come and have a look down here, this is a fully active suspension. And to have this on a compact scooter is really unheard of, and it's comparable with our mid-range scooters of comfortability for riding, which is brilliant for all of you that want a comfortable, fun ride, but with a compact scooter. Let me show you some of the other exciting features. So the other features that are boasted on this Zest Plus are the front suspension as well. Not only a great back suspension, but a really good front suspension. You've also got a light here, keep you safe at night, which is great, making everyone aware of you. You've got the pneumatic tires down here, and again with TGA products, they all come with sealant. So of course, a puncher, 80% of punchers are going to be repaired by themselves. A great feature. As you're coming up through here, you've got the cabin seat. It's not a full captain seat, but for a compact scooter, they've really tried to make this as comfortable as possible, and it's nice and wide as well, which means you're gonna have a great ride. You've got the dash coming up, nice and simple, just analog. Lights here, obviously the lights will go down as the battery goes down. Speaking of the battery, this does an 18-mile range. If you have a look just down through here, the Zest Plus, it's an 18-mile range, great for a compact scooter. You got your horn. You can drive again, the Delta sort of grips here, so you can use your fingers or your thumbs. Really nice and simple. Cool little basket. And of course, the great thing about this is not only is it so comfortable and usable, this goes into your boot. It packs down. So let me show you how that works really quickly. So the first step, we're gonna take the seat straight off. Nice and easy with the lever there. Coming in, we've got the batteries, 1 and 2. You're just gonna lift this little lever at the back, and this really simply just slides off. And if you look again, I can actually just slide this on, just straight in, really simple there. Tiller goes down, and now this is ready to go in to your boot. The best way to do this is actually put this in the boot first. Once that's in, we then place the batteries back in while it's in the boot. So keeping everything nice and compact. Putting here, down, and this is fully compactable. With the seat, this can then come up like this, and that's exactly how it will sit in the boot. So if you're looking for an upgrade or to purchase this scooter for the smoothest ride in its class, to get rid of all those bumps and niggles when you drive, then this is a scooter for you. You know where to call us. It's 01702 417 088, which will be here again on the banner, and of course our website at www.lifestyleandmobility.co.uk. And remember that we give the best exchange in your area for a scooter for the upgrade. So please come down, and we'll see you soon.